so stupid. This is so stupid. Oh my God, it's so windy. Oh man, this is gonna be a scary ride. This is gonna be scary. I'm gonna do it. Look at this freaking wind. Oh man, this is like Afghanistan. Oh man. I'm not riding long. I'm just gonna show you all this freaking wind real quick. Oh! Oh my God! Holy shit, it's raining! God damn it! Right when I start riding, it's raining. Woo! Oh man, this is crazy. Oh my God! I'm probably going to wreck. I'm gonna lay this shit down. I'm gonna lay it down. This is not. This is. It's come from. Oh my God! Ow! Woo! This is freaking insane. Oh my gosh, look at this. You can't. Oh my God. Cut through it. Cut through it. Cut through that freaking wind. People's freaking houses are like, oh, this is Johnson Lane. Freaking shingles and roofs are coming up. Oh my God. The dogs are out. Why am I doing this? Why? Oh! 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 This is just stupid right here. I don't know why I'm doing this. Everything's knocked over. Oh man. Oh, cut through that wind. Cut through that wind right there. Cut through it. Cut through it. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Cut through it. It's coming from the left. It's coming from that way, so hopefully it won't be too bad coming going down the freeway or the highway. Coming back, it's gonna be, oh man. Oh my God, this is crazy. They said there's 85-mile-an-hour winds today, and I'm on a goddamn bike. This is how you ride in the wind, in case you're wondering. Woo! Here's my... Oh, it's so windy. I couldn't even barely stand up right there. And the wind is gone. I don't feel any wind at all right now. I ain't scared. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. They're on top of weeds. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm probably gonna die. I'm doing 90 with this wind. Okay, I gotta slow down. I gotta slow it down. Slow it down. I don't know what, I just got hit with something. Oh, my bike is so dirty. I just cleaned this damn thing too. It is, oh, so dirty. So dirty. God damn, look at that. This is Nevada for you. And it's raining. It's not really cold. Ow! Oh man. Oh man. Nevada windstorm. He's probably got it easier than I do. He's got a heavier bike. While we ride, man. We're gonna go see all the carnage in freaking Carson City. Can't tell if I'm wet.
That's what she said.
It is not bad out here at all. I was expecting cars to be flipped over, stuff like that. How is it barely windy here but it is hurricaning, tornadoing on my street. What is going on here? What is going on here, Nevada? Are you drunk? That is drunk. Alright, we gotta turn around. We gotta go into Minden. I bet you that place is getting hit hard. Oh, buddy, I gotta check my camera. It's still working. Speed bump. All right, here we go. Oh, it's so windy! Oh my God! I don't care. Oh, I can get up through that way. I can go home that way. Yay! I can go. What was that? Did you see that? Alright, we're going a little slow. Let's see if there's any freaking damages, trees down, nothing there. Oh, tumbleweed, that one hit me. Should be paying attention, but I'm not. Their roof is jacked up. That one's hurting a little bit. Oh yeah, that one's hurting bad. That one's hurting. Oh, there's a fire truck down there. Let's go see what he's doing. Let's go see what the old fireman is doing. There's probably something happened where they need help. How do I get over to that other road? Damn it! There we go. I think it was this. I think it was this road. Was it? Was it? Oh, my nose is running. Where'd it go? Was it this? Did it? What? It's so damn windy, birds can't fly. All right, we're going home.